everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Alinea Invest, whether it's legit or just another flashy fintech tool. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Now, according to the Alinea, it markets itself as a clean, beginner-friendly investing app. Their whole thing is playlist style investing, where you can pick theme bundles instead of individual stocks. Pretty appealing if you're just getting started. According to their official site, they aim to make investing easy, social, and educational. Now, over on Trustpilot, Alinea has a solid 4.3 star rating from over 200 reviews as of now. Most users love the sleek interface and how easy it is to understand. A few mentioned slow customer support and occasional bugs, but nothing too alarming. Meanwhile, on Reddit, opinions are a little more divided. Some people say it's a great starting point, while others think it's too simple for anyone wanting more control or deeper market insight. Now, so is Alinea worth it? If you're new to investing and want something beginner friendly with a modern vibe, it's a pretty solid option. But if you're looking for advanced tools or customization, you might outgrow it pretty quickly. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.